London Heathrow Airport. Addis Information Delta. Time 1319 Zulu. Wind 270.
Right. Departing straight out.
Cleared for takeoff. Runway 27 left. Speedbird 24. November 331 Lima Victor. Roger. November 103 Golf Mike. Request frequency change. Takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff. Runway 27 right. Eurowings 5312.
Speedbird 24. Request frequency change. Virgin 394. Maintain slowest practical speed.
Maintain slowest practical speed. Virgin 394. Line up and wait runway 27 left. Ryanair 188. London Heathrow Tower. Kilo Lima Mike 310. Inbound on the visual runway 27 left with information Delta.
Number 1. Cleared to land. Runway 27 left. EGLL 5731.
Enter straight in runway 27 left. Kilo Lima Mike 310.
Kilo Lima Mike 310. Number 3. Traffic to follow is on final.
Kilo Lima Mike 310. Frequency
change approved. Good day. Frequency change approved United 1889. Good day.
$100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
London Heathrow Tower. Enter the
Enable turn left. Contact ground on the taxiway. Lima Mike 310. Number 2. Runway 27 right. Clear to